Have you ever wanted to turn your words into a picture? With Playground.ai, you can do just that. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create a photo from text using Playground.ai. So, let us get started.
Dev Dash on the mic, here to bring the heat. Gaming, animation, and I can't be beat. K's our master, he's the king of the blade. Join us on this journey, it's a wild arcade.
First, go to the Playground.ai website and click on the Get Started tab. Then we will log in here with our Google account. After that, in home page we can see many images which are created by other users using Playground.ai. Now we scroll down and see some images. Here you can see the text prompt used to create this image. You can copy the prompt, remix the image and edit it. For now I will copy this prompt to create similar image. You can also use your own prompt if you have. Now we go to create. And here we can select the model. Adjust the prompt guidance and number of images. Here you can either write or paste your text prompt. And you can also use image to image, and here can you select what you don't want on your image. Now I will paste the prompt that I copied before. And from here you can choose the filter that you want for your image. And there are plenty of filter that you can use. And every one of them give different result. They maybe can give bad results, so choose wisely. For start I will use this one and click generate. Now you can see our result, and it's kinda look the original image whose prompt we use. Now we will use other filter for different result. Now we create 9 images using same prompt but different filters, and most of them look similar to the original image. Well, we can do more stuff here, like we can download our image from here, edit, use image to image features, upscale the image, remove background. Now we will use image to image features. Let us change the filter. Looking good. Let us try again one more time, and this time we gonna increase the strength of image little bit. And it's kinda look this the image we used. And that's it. With Playground.ai, you can easily turn your words into pictures in just a few simple steps. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to take your creativity to the next level. And if you want to know how I create this speaking avatar, watch my video about Credo.ai. I will put the link in the description. Until then, see you guys in my next video.